dance activity. And those kids who want to get, come and follow at your parade. Come on, kids, what are you waiting for? Let's go with Alan. Yeah, let's go, kids. Come on, let's follow at your parade. All the kids in the singing area, 100. Come on, kids, Valentine wants to play with you and join her at her parade. Come on, kids, what are you waiting for? All the kids in the aircraft area, come on, kids. Valentine is inviting you to play with her at her dance activity. Come on, kids, let's all follow Valentine. Come on, kids, did you know that Valentine is only the famous in school? She loves to eat strawberry and she is from Japan. And Valentine, let's all give our parents and burgers. Yeah, come on, kids, let's all follow Valentine on her parade. Yeah, all the kids in the toy burger area, come on, kids. Let's all follow Valentine and she is inviting you to join in our sports activity today. Yeah, all the kids in the toy burger area, come on, kids. Let's all follow Valentine on her parade. Let's follow Valentine on the side seat area, 100. Come on, kids. Valentine is inviting you to join our sports activity. Come on, kids. Follow Valentine. Let's get another green area. Let's go now. The kids in the green area. Let's all follow Valentine and she is inviting you to join us sports activity. Let's go, kids. What are you waiting for? Let's go follow Valentine. Yeah, all the kids who want to join us sports activity. Hurry up and get there in 10, 9, 8, 7, come on, kids. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, kids, make that works. Kids, answer for the kids, sabi nila ulit yan. Come on, kids, answer good. Ganito tayo lang yung parents and guidance. Please stay outside po na tayo ng ating event area. Kaya naman sila sa kids ang ating play area. Once again, kids, answer words. Wow, okay, kids. Hands up. Hands up na, hands up. Shake your hands. Hold up and down. Shake your body. Wow, okay, kids. Put your hands down. Okay, kids. I want to hear your voice, kids, ha? Let's hear it now. Hi, kids. One more time. Hi, kids. Hip, hip. One more time. Hip, hip. Wow, tingnan natin mga kids. Okay, kids. Before we start, I would like to introduce my kids. By the way, kids, my name is Kuya Erman. Together with my partners, Ate Shine and Ate Tina. Okay, kids, let's not forget the lovely and bubbly mascot of Kids Luna. Let's all welcome Lara-chan! Wow, okay, kids, what's that, Lara-chan? Yeah, kids, may tayo si Lara-chan, kids. Sino natin makainig sila yan? Taas ang kamay! Wow, Lara-chan lahat. Sino makainig sila yan? Okay, kids, gusto nyo Lara-chan, sabayan nyo siya mag-dance, okay? May tutulong 2 steps si Lara-chan. Okay, Lara-chan? What's our first step? Clap your hands down from right to left, up and down. Okay, now, kids? Right to left, up and down. Good job, kids. Lara-chan, what's our next step? Stop left foot, no kids. Stop left foot. Stop, stop, stop. Good job, okay, kids. Good job, Lara-chan, kids. Are you all ready to dance? Wow, Ate Shine, listen to this. Okay, kids, hands up. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Ready? Raise your hands. Wow, sir. Clap your hands. Raise your hands. Alright, kids, get ready. Clap your hands. Clap. Clap your hands. One more time. Yeah, good job. I think that's the best kids, huh? Ready, kids? 1, 2, 3, and strike out, boys! Good job. Alright, kids. Before we start, I want you to group yourselves into two groups. This side will be Team A and this side will be Team B. Got the kids? Let's group yourselves into two groups in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, at the nila sa other side, at wala ko, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, kids? Let's move on with the backward, kids. With backward, okay? Good job, okay, kids. Let's all sit down on the floor. In 3, 2, 1, sit down on the floor. Okay, good, kids. Ayan, kids. Bago tayo mag-start, pipili si Ate Tina and Ate Shen na magiging team leader nyo. Okay, kids? Yan, okay, kids. Ay, lalagyan, let's go here to Team A. Ate Tina, do you have your Team A? Ay, team leader? Kuya, what's your name, Kuya? Kuya, how old are you there now? How old are you, Kuya? Wow, interesting. Kuya, you will be the team leader, okay, Kuya? At you and Ate Tina will show the team, okay? Okay? Okay, lalagyan. Let's go to Team B. Hi, Team B! Yeah, Ate Shen. Who is your leader? Ate, what is your name? Daniel. Ate Daniel, how old are you? 11. Okay, kids? Look at Ate Daniel. Ate Daniel will be your team leader, okay? Okay, kids, come on, lalagyan. Okay, kids, let's look at our team leader, Ate Shen and Ate Tina, and our team leaders will show the game. Okay, kids? First, we will go inside the hula hoop, and we will hit fully the hula hoop. Then, we will run to the designated coach, and after that, high five to the next player. Okay, kids? Yan. Okay, kids, sa una makakapunfence na team, siya ay nagiging winner. Wow. Okay, kids? Team leaders, thank you for your participation. You can now sit down. Yeah, good job. Thank you again, team leaders. Let's get our chat. Okay, kids, before we start now, meron safety reminders si Lalachan. Okay, Lalachan, what's our first safety reminder? Alright, kids, no pushing. Kids, huwag na po tayo magtutulakan. Okay, kids? Lalachan, what's next? Hold the hoop. Firmly, hawakan po natin na kahigpit ang ating hula hoop. Next, Lalachan. What's next? Turn to your designated door. And lastly, Lalachan, be sports and enjoy the game. Kaya, kids, may tayo kami. Are you ready to play? Let's all stand up and form a round-one. Come on, kids. Stand up, everyone. Parents and guardians, we have lent you the clappers to cheer your kids. But with your parents and guardians, let's cheer our kids. Okay, come on. Kids, let's go in line. Let's go into one line. One line, kids, come on, let's walk in line. Let's walk all four in one line, kids, come on. Okay, kids, ganito kids ha. Dahil ang game natin today is my best buddy. Gusto nyo na Lalachan, yung magiging best buddy nila kids is yung parents or guardians na kasama nyo dito kids ha. Nagkakaroon tayo ng minigame kids. I want you to bring your parents and guardians. Okay kids? Bring me or bring your parents and guardians here at our game. Come on kids! Let's go get our parents and guardians in there! Now, mothers and daddies, come on, let's work with our kids! Come on kids! Take your mommies and daddies na sila yung magiging best buddy nyo. Come on sir! Let's partner with our kids. Come on, Beverly! Yeah, good job. Then for our team A, let's band with our kids. Let's team up with our kids. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, okay, kids, let's go again, kids. Yeah, Ate Shine, how many players sa iyong team? 9 players. Second, Ate Tina, how many players sa team A? How many players, Ate Tina, sa team A? 39, Ate Shine, let's get some players in our team A. Yeah. Okay, Ate Shine, how many players na sa'yo, Ate Shine? 11, Ate Tina? How many players na sa'yo, Ate Tina? 12. Ate Shine, how many players? Ay, sa pang player, 13, ay, 20 naman. 12. Okay, naman, Lalagyan, let's go with the team. Hi, Dile! Ate Tina, are you ready for cheer your team? Go! Go Team A! Go Team A! Let's go to Team B. Tignan natin kung nagpapatalo ng Team B. Team B, may cheer ba? Ate Shine, may cheer ba ang Team B? Go Team B! Go Team B! Kami na dyan! I think kaya nila. Yan, kami na dyan. Okay, kids! Parents and guardians, are you ready? Team A, are you ready? How about Team B, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, kids, you ready? Go Team A! Go Team B! Come on, kids, go, go, go! Go Team A! Go Team B! Come on, go, 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 go! Come on, kids, get ready! Go Team A! Go Team B! 7, 4!
What is that?
Come on, let's do this! Go Team A! Go Team B! Go Team A! Go Team B! Go, go, go! Adelina, how many players? 4 players, how many players left? 6 players, how many players left? Go Team A! Go Team B! How many players left? 2 players, go Team A! Ate Shine, how many players? 1, let's do for Team A! Go, 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 go! It's okay, Team B. Habang tayo magkakaroon pa rin ng second round. So, let's all tayo again. 1 point for Team A. It's okay, Team B. Team B, habang tayo, Team B, ha? Yan, let's all tayo again. Yan, Ate Shine, maraming players left sa'yo. 11 players. Ate Tina, how many players left sa'yo, Ate Tina? 10. Wala ka na. Okay. Lalagyan, let's go here to Team A. Hi, Team A! Wow, ang galing na Team A natin, ha? Team A, may tanong si Lalagyan. Magpapatalo mo ang Team A! Wow! Come on, Lalagyan, let's go to Team B. How about Team B? Team B, magpapatalo mo ang Team B! Wow! Come on, Lalagyan, I think they're ready na again. Let's go! Parents and guardians, are you ready? How about Team A and Team B, are you ready? Good job, Team B, umabot kayo. Ako na nagtanggal yan. 1.14 A and 1.14 B. Anong gagawin natin ngayon, lalagyan? Ganito na lang lalagyan. We will have a tiebreaker. Okay, naman kids. Once again, 1.14 A and 1.14 B. Let's unfold it line, and we will have a tiebreaker. Come on, kids. Let's unfold it line again. 8 player, happy siya naman yung player. 9. Okay. At hindi na ikot na lang ulit. Okay? Let's go to Team A. Team A, paano ba rin? Nakabawi si Team B. This time, nagpapatalo ba tayo? Okay na, let's go to Team B. Team B, good job. Nakabawi tayo. Kaya Team B, nagpapatalo ba tayo kay Team A? Wow! Kamali ako. Let's go here. Parents and girlfriends, are you ready? How about Team A, Team B, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, let's go, let's go! Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Come on, kids, you ready? Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Go, go, Team A, Team B, go! Go, Team A! Go, Team B! Go, Team A! Go, Team A, Team B, go, go, go! Last 3 seconds! Last 2 for Team B, last 3 for Team A! Ako tayo, Team A! Last 1 for Team B! Go, Team B, go, go, go! Come on, kids. Let's follow line again. Come on, kids. Let's follow line again, kids. Go on. It's okay to make you did your best. Once again, to our lovely parents and guardians, thank you for your participation. You can now go back to at the back of our event area. Once again, congratulations, Team B! Good job, Team B! Okay, come on, kids. Let's move forward. Team A and Team B, let's move forward. Team A, let's face Team B. Team B, let's face Team A. Okay, kids? Okay, come on, let's go here kay Team A. Hi, Team A! Yan, dahil naging winner ang ating Team B, we will give them 5 drops with a thumbs up and a very good. Okay, kids, get ready, hands up. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, hi, Team B! Yan, nakita niyo, ginawa ng Team A ang kanilang best. Dahil dyan, we will give them 3 claps with a thumbs up and a good job. Okay, kids? Get ready, hands up. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, kids? Let's all start there. Bago bigyan nilalagyan ng presya, we will dance our favorite dance na Love is at Restaurant. Okay, kids? Let's all start there and arm sideward. Stand up tayo, ate naman. Stand up and arm sideward. Arm sideward, kids. Let me see that. Hands up. Shake your hands. Jump up and down. And put your hands down. Okay, kids. Are you ready to dance? Ate Shan, listen. Okay, kids. Raise your hands. Let's slowly put it down. Okay, kids. Get ready. We will go. Jump and jump. March. Then, and march again. Jump and jump and march. Then, and up and down. Right, good. Come on, kids. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Good job. Okay, kids. Ready? Other side. your shoulder. Got your head. And jump. Wave your hands. Make a big circle. Good job. Come on, Kuya. Make a fist. And work. Work, and jump. Wave your hands. I get the fist. Other side. And go to your right. And one more time. And bow. Hold yourself. And turn around. Let's jump. Jump and jump. And one. Then, punch again. Jump and jump and one. And keep that kids. Our kids, get ready to start the machine. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Good job, kids. Nandito na yung first box din awat yan. Okay, kids, let's all sit down on the floor. In 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Okay, kids. Magka-countdown si Mary about from 3 and we will all shout our favorites, okay? Let's practice yan, kids. In 3, 2, 1. Say, open! One more time. In 3, 2, 1. Say, close! Okay, kids. Be careful. When you get your balloons, let's all sit down again. Okay. Okay, lahat ng may balloons na. Let's all sit down. Okay, kids. May ate siya yung nalaro dito. Okay, kids. May balloons para nakita ni ate siya kasi kayo mga wala pa rin. Okay, kids. Let's all sit down on the floor. In 3, 2, 1, sit down. Ate Shai, nalaro ka dito. Wait lang, ate. Sit down niya dito. Yan, Ate Shai, dito po. Nalaro mo. Okay, kids. Samal mo yung may balloons para ano ni Ate Shai and Ate Tina yung mga wala pang balloons. At thank you po. Kasi yun ang kuya. Here you go, brother, ha? At sa atin. Okay, kids, come on. May gagawin mo mapagawa si Kuya Eman Kids sa pag-sinat ni Kuya Eman Kids Suna. Sisigaw niyo ng malakas na malakas. For real. Okay, kids? Okay, mga mamis and daddies, be ready for our camera, for our group picture. Come on, kids, let's practice, ha? Shout Kids Suna in 3, 2, 1, Kids Suna! Hooray! Okay, kids, this time gusto ni Kuya Eman, yung mas malakas. Okay, once again, in 3, 2, 1, Kids Suna! One more time! 3, 2, 1, Kids Suna! Wow! Good job! Okay, kids, sit down lang, kids, ha? In behalf of Kids Suna, we would like to thank all the kids and parents who join our game. Okay, kids, wait lang, may tinatanong si Lalatan. What's that, Lalatan? Ayan, tinatanong ni Lalatan, kids. Sino na dito gusto mag-birthday sa Kids Suna? Taas ang kamay! Wow! To our lovely mommies and daddies, if you want to get kids' birthday party here at Kids Suna, we have our packages for you. If you're interested, don't hesitate to ask our friendly staff. Okay, what's that, Lalatan? Kids, nag-enjoy na ba na sa ating games? Wow! Okay, kids, but this time, it's time to say goodbye kay Lalatan. Kids, okay? Let's all stand up and let's wave goodbye to Lalatan. Bye, Lala! Yeah. Sa mga gusto po magpapicture kay Lala, just follow us at the Goldpool area. Bye, kids!